As we all know, Google Whisk is gone. And if you were one of the many creators who relied on it, you already know how big of a loss that felt. Whether you were using Whisk to create consistent characters across your videos, or you were one of those storytelling creators who used it to bulk generate images for your long-form AI content, Whisk was a core part of your workflow. And now it's just not there anymore. But here's something most people are missing. Google Whisk didn't actually disappear, it merged into Google Flow. So everything you loved about Whisk now lives inside Flow, which is actually a good thing because now you have one powerful all-in-one tool to work with. You still have a home. But here's where a new problem shows up. If you're a creator who makes long-form AI videos, you need a lot of images. Sometimes dozens, sometimes hundreds. And right now, inside Google Flow, there's no native way to bulk generate them. You have to sit there, enter one prompt, wait, generate, then do it again, and again, and again. That's not a workflow. That's babysitting your own tool. So stick around because I found a tool that completely fixes this, and it takes less than a minute to set up. It's called Turboflow. It's a free Google Chrome extension that plugs directly into Google Flow and gives it a bulk generation superpower. You set it up once, hit generate, and it runs everything in the background while you go do something else. Let me show you exactly how it works. The first thing you'll notice when you open Turboflow is that the interface feels exactly like Google Flow. It's clean, it's familiar, and there's no learning curve at all. If you've used Flow before, you already know how to use this. Now, one thing to keep in mind, when you first open the extension, it will show as disconnected. To start generating, you need to connect it to your Google Flow project. Just open the Flow tab, create a new project, and you'll see the extension automatically connects. Once it's connected, you're ready to go. Now it's time to add your prompts. You can either upload them from a text file or just paste them directly into the tool. The extension supports up to 500 prompts, though on the free version, you get 30 prompts per day, which is still a solid amount to work with. In the control section, you'll find everything you need. First, choose your mode, image or video. Since we're focused on bulk image generation, we'll select image. Then comes the model. You have three options: Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2, and Imagen 4. I recommend going with Nano Banana 2. It gives you more flexibility without the extra limitations that come with the Pro version. After that, set your aspect ratio and choose how many images you want generated per prompt. Simple, clean, and fully in your control. Now here's where it gets really powerful, especially for those of you who were using Whisk for consistent characters. Turboflow gives you three ways to handle character references. First, you can add a shared reference that applies to every single prompt. Second, you can map a different reference to each individual prompt. But the third option, this is the one you really need to pay attention to. It's called auto tag. Here's how it works. You go into your image library and tag your characters by their names, whatever characters exist in your story. Then inside your prompts, you just use those same tags. And Turboflow automatically pulls the right image for the right prompt every single time. No manual matching, no mistakes. This is the feature that makes it a real storytelling tool. Before you hit generate, you also get full control over your output. You can toggle auto download on or off, choose between 2K or standard quality, and decide how you want your files named. I'm going with the numbered format, so my files will come out as 001, 002, 003. Clean and organized. Everything lands in your download folder exactly the way you set it up. When everything is ready, you just hit generate. And that's it. Your job is done. Turboflow takes over from here. Go edit your video, write your next script, record your voiceover. It doesn't matter. Turboflow is running everything in the background. The only thing you need to make sure of is that the extension and your Google Flow tab stay open. That's the only rule. When it's finished, head over to the gallery. All your images are organized by numbers: 001, 002, 003. So it's easy to go through them. Keep what you like, delete what you don't.
That's Turboflow. Bulk generation, smart character consistency, and full automation.
all inside Google Flow. The link to install it from the Chrome Web Store is right there in the description. Go try it. And before you leave, drop a comment and tell me, how many prompts would you run in your first batch? I'm genuinely curious. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tools that actually make your workflow faster. I'll see you in the next one.